Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix camera not focusing on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on if you want to fix this problem, so force stop camera app. After force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on camera app. Click on this settings icon. Scroll down and click on reset and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.